Former ABS-CBN President Charo Santos had been asked to run for senator. Santos revealed it to host Noel Ferrer on his YouTube weekly talk show. The former Kapamilya executive told Ferrer she was asked to run for a Senate seat more than once. Santos rejected it, saying she prefers to do public service the quiet way. Santos hosts ABS-CBN's long-running drama anthology show, Maalaala Mo Kaya?
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.